Question, is your iPhone full of storage right now? Are you thinking about buying more storage from Apple, Google, or whatever you use? In this video, you're gonna learn how to free up iPhone storage completely for free, and it takes 2 seconds. It's super easy to do. You're gonna learn how to fix the dreaded iPhone storage almost full pop-up from ever annoying you ever again. You're also going to learn how to find and locate duplicate photos, videos, and similar duplicate photos and videos. And I'm going to show you an easy trick on how to delete duplicate contacts and also Google events or events in your phone. Again, it's super easy to do. It's completely for free. So let's get started. Quick note, it would mean the world to me if you could like and subscribe on this video. It helps my video reach more people in the YouTube algorithm and helps my channel grow. Appreciate it. First thing you're going to do is search for Clean My Photos in the App Store like this. Just search Clean My Photos, select this one. And once you've downloaded Clean My Photos, open the app and you'll get to this screen. Clean My Photos makes it super easy and convenient to find and remove all of your duplicate photos and videos on your iPhone. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is go over to the Photos tab right here on your home screen. Wait for the app's AI to filter through your camera roll and find all of your duplicates. And then tap Duplicate Photos right here. And you'll get to this screen of all of your duplicate pictures in your camera roll. You can select and delete all the duplicates in less than a few seconds, or you can go in manually and then delete the duplicates you select. The app's AI does a really good job of finding all of your duplicate pictures, so I usually do select all and just remove them like that. It's completely up to you, but that's it. Here's how to remove duplicate videos on your iPhone using Clean My Photos. It's just like before. Open up the app, tap the Photos button from your home screen, wait for the app to find your duplicates, and then tap Similar Videos. And just like before, Clean My Photos filters all of your duplicate videos in this screen, and you can select and delete all of your duplicate videos in seconds. Or you can go in manually and select the duplicate videos you want to remove from your phone. Once you've selected all of the duplicate videos you want, simply tap Delete Selected, and that's it. The app removes all of your selected duplicate videos, and you have a ton of space in your iPhone. You can also use Clean My Photos to merge and remove duplicate contacts on your iPhone. First, open the app and tap the Contacts button. We'll start by merging and deleting your duplicate contacts. So tap Duplicates. You can either tap Select All and then tap Merge to merge all of your duplicate contacts and numbers, or you can go through individually like this. I'd recommend going through individually so you don't merge the wrong contacts, but that's just me. But you just go through like this and tap the ones you want to combine. And once you're ready, tap the Merge button to confirm everything. And that's it. Clean My Photos also offers a smart clean where it takes all of your duplicate photos, videos, contacts, and old calendar events and deletes them from your iPhone in one tap. As you can see, Clean My Photos found 425 duplicate pictures in my camera roll, and I just pressed one button and they're removed, saving me 1.4 gigs of space on my iPhone. Important note, the link to download Clean My Photos is in the description below to save some time so you don't have to go searching.